Before you massage your face today, know this. If you massage vertical wrinkles vertically and horizontal wrinkles horizontally, you are literally training your wrinkles to fold deeper. Stay with me because I'm showing you 3 skincare massage mistakes that age the face faster and 3 face massage thumb rules to actually start seeing a difference in anti-aging naturally. And you can do this without Botox, fillers, lasers, or expensive facials. I'm 𝗪𝗫𝗵𝗫, your face yoga and self-image coach, and I help women, especially over 40, lift their face naturally by correcting habits and teaching anti-aging techniques that most people were never taught. If you want to know why skincare fails even when products are good, you want to watch this video till the end. So grab your favorite moisturizer and upgrade your face massages. Let's first understand what happens as you're aging. Where is the facial fat falling and where from? This is what happens the moment you teach your face to keep it all up and away from the center of your face. Your face looks very different when you massage it up diagonally where it's coming down from. So no more massaging vertically up. Once you understand that the natural anatomy of your facial muscles is going up diagonally, you can start seeing a difference with your massage techniques. Most people massage randomly, fast, aggressive, or they just copy trends without understanding your facial muscle anatomy. Underneath, you have your facial muscles anchored to your bone, soft fat pads, fascia, and lymph pathways. When you massage in the wrong direction, you're not just moving product, you are repeatedly pulling tissue against its natural support lines. Over time, this trains the face to collapse inward. Folds deepen, heaviness in your face increases, and your face starts to look compressed. It all comes in the center instead of lifted and staying where it's supposed to be. Before I show you the first correct massage technique, I recommend that you always start with a hydrating moisturizer, and today I'm going to use Aqua's Deep Hydrating Moisturizer. This is very important because this moisturizer has smooth slip and glide, which allows me to massage without dragging or irritating the skin. Now we are on to our correct massage technique. Now place your right hand here between your nasolabial fold and your chin in that L shape. With a little bit of pressure, start working on the inner muscles, not just on the upper skin. So start moving your hand from your starting position all the way close to your ears and your jawline. Now this hand here becomes your anchor, and now the second hand fingers will start to pass over the same area but slightly above that area here, all the way again back towards your cheekbones and close to your ears. Notice while massaging with the other hand how I curve my fingers. It's almost like contouring all the way from next to my nose going into my hairline near my ears. 1, 2, 1, 2. At any given point, your skin is anchored with one hand to avoid any kind of pulling or folding skin. Notice there is no tugging. The blood just transfers and moves up into your face and starts to create that lift in your cheeks, in your nasolabial folds, in your sagging jowls, and in your lip corners. So literally just this one move is covering almost half of your face, lower and upper half of your cheek and jowl area. Use the comment section below if you were doing this massage with me, and tell me if you felt the difference in the lift in your face. And if you can't do it right now, then make sure you save this and watch it later to do the correct technique during your next skincare routine. Now here's a rule that most people don't know, and this alone can change your results. Wherever you notice vertical wrinkles, massage horizontally, and where you notice horizontal wrinkles, massage vertically. A wrinkle is a repeated fold. If you massage along the fold, you are reinforcing that wrinkle. But when you massage across it, you are gently opening that tissue and you're re-educating the muscle fibers underneath. This is why direction matters and why random massage can make your face age faster. And the correct one can completely transform your face. And now we are on to massage mistake number 2. Now this is where most women or most people would stop massaging because you've started to feel the lift. But this is where the real results start to begin. Now once your skin is hydrated and prepped, this is where you introduce a lifting product along with a very special massage technique that's going to increase blood circulation and glow in your face. So after I moisturize, I apply Aqua's dual action lifting cream on top of it. Aqua is our sponsor of the day, but I couldn't have thought of any other better cream to perform what I'm about to show you next. Notice that this cream is not greasy. It doesn't sit on your skin, it doesn't leave greasy film, and it does not rely on slip. Very targeted, instant transformation. So their moisturizer gave me the glide for the first massage, but this lifting cream is different. It just sets. It works deeper and it gives visible tightening without the drag. I did not take this brand seriously when they said that this product alone gives you Botox-like effect till this cream actually touched my face for the first time. Don't believe me? Look at my skin here before and watch how instantly it looks different after applying the dual action lifting cream. I'm not kidding you. It gives you that instant lift and visible results as well as long-term transformation. I've been using it for the past few days and honestly, this is the closest thing I have experienced to a Botox-like effect without injections. It's lightweight, it's powerful, and works because of Idealift peptide technology, which supports your skin elasticity, not just the surface smoothness. Your face just looks brighter, more awake, and lifted. I mean, that uneven, bumpy skin texture just looks filled in immediately. And remember, your skin is not the same every day. Inflammatory foods, sugar, poor sleep, stress, travel, change of water, all of it shows up on your face. But the right product and right massage can help you wake up looking fresher despite real life. Now, because this cream absorbs quickly, I want you to take advantage of this stage in your skincare routine. You don't want your fingers to be slipping for this massage. With products like this, you need simple facial tapping massage. Cleanse and moisturize your face before you apply this lifting cream. Activate a dime-size amount of this lifting cream on your fingers. Rub them together, activate, apply in small circular motions till the product absorbs. And once you no longer feel that your fingers are rotating or moving smoothly, you will move to tapping. Now start tapping it all the way from your jawline, going up slowly towards your forehead. I need you to give me approximately 100 taps, 300 to 500, even better. This brand actually suggests using a blow dryer, but finger tapping works way better in production and improving blood circulation by the time you are done completing this tapping all the way from your jawline to your forehead. Thumb rule here is that any product that does not glide should not be forced to glide, such as your serums. They are water-based, so tap them in. Don't try to rub them into your skin. By doing this, you reduce friction as compared to rubbing it on your face. This also increases your local blood flow. It brings warmth to the skin. It helps ingredients work in an oxygen-rich environment. That's how important this tapping technique is. You'll notice that your skin might start to look a little pinker, more awake, and less dull. Comment and let me know if that happened with you. This technique in the morning can encourage lymph movement. It helps reduce morning or post-sleep puffiness, and it prevents fluid stagnation. So you see the power of combining the right skincare product with the right massage technique? Especially for women over 40, this step is crucial because we need support, not aggression. This cream is suitable for all skin types and it's backed by 90-day money-back guarantee. That's how much they believe in this product. I have really started to like this product. Do not hesitate to buy it. You will love it. The shopping link is in the description below. Take advantage of their subscription or their duo offer. You don't want to miss the savings and free shipping. I will never let this run out. I mean, I have it under my makeup and I haven't touched up my makeup since morning. It literally is just staying in its place. Because guess what? My pores are not visible, so nothing is really settling into my pores. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about it and I'll answer it. Now let's talk about the third massage mistake. Once the lifting cream starts working, people ruin it by rubbing it fast. Fast rubbing is bad news for aging skin. Correct massage method is deep pressure and slow release. This is when you stop gliding, stop tapping, and start deep, slow tension release massage. Notice in these massages that I'm showing you right now, there is no tugging, there is no dragging. You're literally kneading those deep, tense muscles in your face. This relaxes tight muscles, helps fluid move, and supports lift instead of pulling your face down. Now, I do have an optional tool. If your fingers can't give you that consistent depth, a Kansa wand helps. It gives you deeper, controlled pressure throughout your massage. I've especially launched this. Yes, this is my first launch for women over 40. When you start to notice that your skin is thinning, you really don't want to be using a hard or sharp gua sha to pull on your skin. You need something like Kansavon that mimics your thenar, which is the fatty, padded part of your palm that is perfect to massage and release deep tension instead of using a gua sha. If you want to get one of these, do check out my new website. Yes, you can buy physical products from my new online store. This is super exciting, and for pre-orders, I've launched just the first 500 pieces. Order them in advance so you can get these benefits. Massages like pushing your tongue into your lip corners and grabbing the whole muscle chunk between your fingers and kneading that tension in your lip corners gently away is going to show you a big transformation in lifting those droopy lip corners. I'm showing you a few examples of what these massages look like, which of course I elaborate more during my online programs or even during my one-on-one programs. Now imagine for any of these massages, if you used anything too greasy, your fingers would just keep slipping. Same thing with your eyebrows to release the tension from the drooping eyebrows, or even those frown lines between them. You can see the difference in my before and after doing just these few massages and techniques. Notice how the skin looks smoother, fresher, and more lifted, especially on the side where the direction and the pressure were corrected. Guys, if you have felt confused or disappointed with your skincare, it's not your fault. Most women or most people were never taught the mechanics of the face. I work one-on-one with people who want real, lasting results. You'll find all that information on my website. This is what the link should look like. All my links are in the description below. And if you're trying 𝗪qua's Dual Action Lifting Cream, then use the link below as well. Like I mentioned, they have a subscription program and they have duo offers for bigger savings and free shipping. Stay tuned, I'll be making another video on how my makeup sits on this and what to expect when you use it consistently. I am super excited about it, but I want you to tell me if you want a full detailed review after I have used it for 1 full month. Now here's what I want you to understand. Your face didn't change overnight. It took years of habits, expressions, pressure, gravity, and stress to shape what you see today. And that is why one random massage, one cream, or one viral trick is never enough. What you learned in this video is a starting point. How direction, pressure, and technique decide whether your face lifts or slowly collapses downward. And if you already felt a difference just from this, that's your sign you don't need more products, you need a routine. That's exactly why I created my 1-week face massage challenge to train your face, stop the guesswork, and help feel visible changes in just a few days. And if you're ready for deeper long-term transformation, my 21-day face yoga mastery program teaches you how to lift, rebalance, and support your face the way it actually ages, step by step. All the links are in the description along with my other programs. So you can choose what fits your face and this stage of your life. It helps YouTube share this video with more women and more people who need it. Save it so you can massage properly during your skincare routine. Subscribe if you want no-nonsense guidance on face yoga, massages, exercising your facial muscles, and aging naturally. Watch some of those videos next if you want real results instead of random fixes. And follow me on all my social media platforms for daily reminders and quick corrections. That's it. I'm Parmita Katkar, your face yoga and self-image coach, signing off for today. I'll see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.